The first time they played was actually the season opener for the Knicks. Alley-oop, James throws it down. Wade throws the perfect pass. And oohs from the crowd, even the Knicks fans.
At 61. That's the kind of explosiveness they have. Look at LeBron James unloading that for Wade, and he slams. And now the Heat just running away with things as they will end the Sixers' 4-game win streak.
Alley-oop to Wade, and he finishes. Oh, perfect pass. And Dwayne Wade throws it down. Wade now with 25, and Miami's lead is 3.
24-22. Bosh tipping it ahead for LeBron. 3-on-1 break. Here comes. Oh my! Elbow above the rim, and then wham with the right hand.
Fans now anticipate that, Eric, after seeing him play for 2.5 years. When LeBron gave it up, you knew he was getting it back for the lob.
Aaron Aflalo hits the 3, and a response quickly to James. And that is a way to end a 9-0 run. Touchdown pass like they did last year against the Pacers.
That was 96 feet, not 94, because he was out of bounds.
And rebounded by Wade, who fires one down. And James leaping for it. Out leaping. The combination of Collison and Potter, that looked like a pass thrown as a jump ball to a wide receiver. Holiday, pick and roll for Davis, broken up and intercepted by LeBron James. The bounce for Wade. Back to LeBron. Oh my. Well, the Heat putting their championship stamp on the first 4 minutes of this game. Rebound to LeBron James. Here he comes, hitting ahead for Wade. There he goes. Oh! The house of highlights.
You think these guys like passing the ball to each other? Wow.
3-on-1, James to Wade, alley-oop!
It almost looked like an impossible catch, but then he made that look pretty easy.
Up ahead, alley-oop for 2.
Game 2 and really frustrated.
Look at this. Why not?
Woo!
Why not?
Bring it home,
Let's
LeBron,
look at
baby, bring it home.
Why not?
In it, launch to LeBron, up and in. They've done it again. Through the air. How do you dare stop the connection between 3 and 6?
How about you get a touchdown pass off of a jump ball?
How can I log on to Heat.com right now and get that into amazing assist?
Pelicans last playing in Indiana on Saturday night. They lost by 17. They were outscored 30-12 in the second half. Oh, man. In the third quarter, by the way. What a dunk by LeBron.
He gives the Heat a 7-0 run.
Goes over Chalmers to get it, stolen by James. Here comes James, lobs to Wade. Back to James. What a play from Wade to James. And the lead is cut to 5.
Miami is just swarming defensively.
Chalmers, alley-oop, James! Oh, what a play to Wade! It was defended well initially by Sean Marion, and James adjusted for another gorgeous assist. Dwayne Wade with another steal.
3-on-1, James!
Are you
LeBron
kidding
drops the anvil.
Holy smokes. You kidding me?
Don't have numbers, Spaghetti, no. Blocked by Bosh. Saved by James. Wade will get a breakaway. What a play.
The big 3 on display.
The miss by Smith, the rebound for Haslam. He goes long, and LeBron makes an incredible play. Oh, my! LeBron James from the floor set up Dwayne Wade.
That's why you watch every night.
And Evans pass at the side of the backboard. Another Kings turnover, a chance to run. Wade for LeBron! Oh, man!
Well, they got what they paid for tonight, baby. That's what they came to see.
Off the hand of LeBron, who picked up the loose ball behind the back. Just like they threw it up.
You got butter to jelly. You've got to have eyes in the back
back of your head or a great memory to make a pass like that. LeBron James to Wade for the lay-in.
In transition, Wade finds James! Wrap that and put it under your Christmas tree.
Oh my goodness.
Wade looking for the return to LeBron! Off the window! And down!
They should just stop the game right now.
3-on-2 for the Heat. Oh, James behind the back and finds Wade. What a move by LeBron James. Doug Collins calling for time.
That was spectacular.
Oh, he does it again. Throws it right up to the rim. James comes flying in from the right corner.
Picks off Hamilton.
And he goes right over Lucas.
And Wade, baseball pass to LeBron. That was
How about
from
that pass?
92
One end to the
feet.
other. I mean, LeBron can go get it, but I'm telling you, you're right, partner. Dwayne Wade's pass is unbelievable.